Hello everyone, welcome to Under Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing top 10 horror movies based on urban legends.
Way.
The Car. The Car stars James Brolin and centers on a malevolent driver who is attacking the inhabitants of a small desert town. While the movie is mostly remembered for being corny, it set a precedent for car-possessed movies and TV storylines. The movie was partially based on a Route 666 urban legend that tells tales of an unnamed black sedan that sped up and down the infamous highway. Drivers have reported not only seeing the vehicle but also having to pull over to avoid being hit by the oncoming vehicle. Strangely, the car would then vanish in thin air.
Why didn't go into the cemetery?
The Hills Have Eyes. The Hills Have Eyes is a 1977 film by Wes Craven. The story centers on a family who encounters a clan of insane and sadistic cannibals. While developing the movie, Craven come across the tale of Swanee Bean. According to the legend, he and his 55-member family lived in Scotland during the 16th century. Within 25 years, they allegedly kidnapped, brutally murdered, and cannibalized about 1,000 people. They were eventually apprehended on behalf of orders by King James of Scotland. He ordered them to be executed without a trial. Historians still debate about its factual basis. The Mothman Prophecies. The Mothman Prophecies features the talent of Richard Gere and Laura Linney. The film is based on the 1975 book of the same name, which focuses on the legend of Mothman. Apparently, the cryptid was reportedly sighted in Point Pleasant, West Virginia on November 12, 1966. The couple who spotted it claimed to see a man-sized bird creature. One version of the legend includes a deformed child being born to a sorceress. The child eventually escaped and flew away. The story of its first reported sighting was sensationalized and received nationwide attention.
Somehow between 1 and 2:30 I traveled.
Weird lights, strange phone calls.
When a Stranger Calls. When a Stranger Calls stars Carol Kane as a teenager babysitter who is being phoned by a creepy and dangerous stalker. The overall film is based on an urban legend known as The Babysitter and the Man Upstairs, a story from the 60s that tells of a young babysitter receiving a call from a stranger who asked if she checked on the children. Fortunately, in this version, both the babysitter and the kids made it out okay. The film was fiscally successful and critically mixed. The Candyman. Candyman co-stars Tony Todd as the titular villain and Virginia Madsen as a college grad student. The movie centers on Madsen's character, who is researching urban legends when she comes across the legend of the Candyman, the ghost of an artist and son of a slave who was lynched for having an interracial relationship. While Candyman was partially based on a character in Clive Barker's short story titled The Forbidden, his hook hand was inspired by the urban legend of the Hook Man. The story tells of a couple hearing a radio announcement of an escaped mental patient and serial killer who has a hook for a hand. Another basis for conjuring ritual may be the legend of Bloody Mary. Christine. Similar to The Car, Christine centers on a sinister possessed vehicle that grows jealous of anyone who tries to stand in way of her and her new owner, Arnie. The movie is based on the Stephen King novel of the same name. King's conception of the evil car was inspired by the notoriety behind a 1964 Dodge 330 limited edition known as the Golden Eagle. Over the years, the vehicle has been reportedly responsible for 14 deaths and has influenced its previous owners, or whoever dared touch it, to kill themselves or others. While Christine has gone on to become a classic, the Golden Eagle is still reportedly around waiting for its next.
He's been obsessed with it. When that car last died in it. What do you...
Shutter. Shutter centers on a couple who discovers their photographs are suddenly showing peculiar shadows following a tragedy. The premise of the film was inspired by an occurrence known as spirit photography. This is where ghosts are visually captured by pictures. The popularity of this film spawned an American remake of the same name. Meanwhile, there was an Indian remake titled Click and a Tamil remake called CV. Universal Studios Singapore was to feature a maze inspired by the movie for their Hollywood Horror Nights event before the event was cancelled. Black Christmas. The original Black Christmas centered on a group of sorority sisters who were being stalked and harassed by an unknown murderer during the Christmas season. Similar to When a Stranger Calls, its premise is also partially based on The Babysitter and the Man Upstairs urban legend. The legend is known to have multiple variations and conclusions. Ringu. Ringu is a Japanese horror film directed by Hideo Nakata. Its premise involves a reporter watching an alleged cursed tape and attempting to solve its mystery before meeting an early demise. While Americans are most familiar with the 2002 adaptation The Ring, the original movie has been credited with igniting Japanese horror and several Western remakes. The creator Sadako Yamamura borrows elements from two Japanese legends, Okiku and Oiwa. Okiku's influence was the ghost, tragic death, and vengeful spirit, and Oiwa's contribution was its one deformed eye. So which one is your favorite among all? Do share in the comments section. Thank you so much.